sci-fi science experiments happening right now. 1. The immortal jellyfish defies aging, raising questions about longevity and biological immortality. 2. 3D printed organs are revolutionizing healthcare, offering hope for transplants and personalized medicine. 3. Mind-controlled prosthetics allow users to move artificial limbs with their thoughts, blending biology and technology. 4. Teleporting atoms showcases quantum physics, hinting at the possibility of real-life teleportation. 5. Reanimating frozen animals explores the boundaries of life, raising ethical questions about resurrection. Stay tuned for more amazing science discoveries.